Goeiedag, met wie gesels ons?
Teddy and Bowers
En jy is 'n journalistiek student
at City Varsity.
en jy het nou Henry van Breda se saak bygewoon vandag. En wat jy uitgeleer
What did I learn out of it?
today is.
Well, not much. It was just very prolonged. I don't think they really got anything out of it as it.
Do you think it's easier being a lawyer than a journalist?
No, definitely not.
Het hulle jou enigiets geswei tot wie is meer geloofwaardig, die ondersoekbeampte of wat die defensie? Hoe geloofwaardig jy die ondersoekbeampte bevind?
Who's that?
The investigating officer sitting on the witness box, on the test,
It was testified.
yeah, it was testified.
Well, he wasn't very persuading. He didn't really look like he was sure about what he was saying at all, actually.
So how would you term him? Believable? Credible?
No, not credible, really. Because he kept changing what he was saying and it wasn't corresponding with what he wrote in his statement originally.
And how do you feel about the defense nitpicking the prosecution? Do you think that was badgering? Do you think dan sê hulle het hom te
What's ordering?
yeah.
No, that's what they're supposed to do.
Okay, so interesting you say.
Yes, very interesting.
But what does it make you believe that maybe Henry is not as guilty as people?
No.
You still believe he's guilty?